How to remove watermark on Viggle AI. The first things first is just access any preferred web browser that you want to use, and on my case, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, we will be using a third-party site or a third-party tool for us to be able to successfully remove this watermark from Viggle AI. Now, in your browser, just simply create a new tab and just simply type in media.io. So this is actually free. You can also download it and use it on any specific videos that you'd like a watermark to be removed. But um, I'm not 100% sure that on a specific video that you will be uploading on this specific tool right here will be the same resolution. But no problem. There is also an actual editor for that for you to be able to get your resolution back. Then here, all you have to do is search for media.io and choose these highlighted link right here that says AI watermark remover. Click on that, and then you will be redirected to this website. So you can download it for free, and you can also use it from your browser. So just click on try it online, and in here, all you have to do next is to download your video from Viggle AI and just click on upload here. Once you uploaded it, you will be given out a specific pen, a circle pen in which you'll have to highlight the Viggle AI watermark or the logo for you to be able to remove it completely. So that's it. That's the most convenient way on removing a watermark from Viggle AI.